Hi everyone, Melissa Castillo with Straight Out of Class Teacher Resources. Today I'm sharing two popular products with you, the English Cheat Sheet Reference Chart and Scavenger Hunts for the English Cheat Sheet. Both of these products work well together. The cheat sheet is a free download at the store, so I hope you'll go over and check that out. The Scavenger Hunt is a companion piece that works with the cheat sheet. There are 2 pages of English skills on the cheat sheet. The first is parts of speech. You can see that each part of speech is identified, defined, and an example is given. For noun, the definition is given for noun and examples, so students can reference those. On the second page, comma rules are listed. The comma rule is identified with a definition and an example. Capitalization and punctuation tools are also included, as well as the 4 basic sentence structures. Students can keep these in their writer's notebook. It also works well with the interactive notebooks. I had my students keep them in their writer's tools section. There were times that I laminated the 2 sheets together and had those available at student desks. The companion piece, the Scavenger Hunts for the English cheat sheet, come in 2 separate scavenger hunts, 1 and 2. Each of the scavenger hunts has 15 questions. Some examples would be, what sentence structure has only 1 independent clause? Another example would be, what punctuation mark is used before a list of words or phrases? The scavenger hunts also come with the teacher answer keys. I've used the scavenger hunts as a daily assignment, a review, quiz, and most often as group work where students work collaboratively to come up with the answers. If you have any questions about either of the products, I'd love to hear from you. Be sure to check out the other freebies in the store. Hope you'll follow me on Teachers Pay Teachers and check out my website at straightoutofclass.com. Until next time, happy teaching.